set, go. Quick work of the axle. Set the front off and deadlift going down. These ladies are killing it. Both hands up the masters. 30 seconds remaining. Thank you.